Good morning, everybody, from the Orlando Convention Center. We are here for Megacon. That moment you find it tempting to buy a gamer chair.
It's not just any gamer chair.
The gamer chair. Over here at the Moonshine Chocolate Company, they have a few superhero fudges like Batman and Captain America.
Captain America fudge, Brittany's fave.
No, it's not on that.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's got like blueberry and vanilla and stuff in there too, which is really good. Dang, those are cute. Toy Story 4. Want a woman.
Yeah!
Woo!
So instead of being your normal crazy all over the place glitter, it's a lot more contained. Let me show you ours over here.
The office we don't have a house.
This one.
It glows in the dark!
That's a UV reactive, so it glows under black light. You see this one, it's got moons, you got butterflies, you got stars, all kinds of fun stuff in it.
Glitter.
Oh, look at this. We found Stan Lee coffee.
And it champions the causes of literacy and the arts. Of course, I mean, obviously he's associated with both, right? A lot of people learn to read by reading comic books, and the art portion is obvious. Sales of the Stan Lee coffee go to support the foundation, which supports those causes.
That's really cool.
One of those causes is Allowance Manager, a kids' first-hand experience, a kids' financial literacy program that provides kids first-hand experience with their own real money. So that's what we're doing here at the Stan Lee Foundation booth today. So
Absolutely wonderful, wonderful work being done by the Stan Lee Foundation. Wonderful to see. We just found some of the coolest Star Wars photo ops on planet Earth. Look at how cool that is. Oh, look how cool the Millennium Falcon cockpit looks. Or this is just funny. You could be a Star Wars action figure. My dreams are coming true. Hello. This is nuts. That's really cool.
Please enter scanner. Scanning in progress. 820 for entry. Proceed ahead. Welcome to Mandalorian BBC Outpost Reporter 1.
All kinds of Star Wars, Mandalorian props and absolutely crazy. You look absolutely fantastic. Look at this, they also have a bunch of costumes and props from Star Wars. This is nuts. So cool. Wow. You want to get some blue milk?
I mean, you want some? I want
Yes. Well, we found the Uncle Owen and Aunt Beru meet and greet. It's Vader! Oh my goodness. Ah! It's terrifying, but awesome. It's Sidious! Oh my goodness. You excited to be back in the new Star Wars or what, man? This whole area is raising money for the Peter Mayhew Foundation, and I just think that's awesome. Who are you gonna call? The guys who actually made their own proto packs. That's awesome. They even have the Ghostbusters car. And Slimer. Look at this. Looks like a full-on DeLorean. If you told me that this thing actually time travels, I would believe you. Well, hello, Doc. How are you?
Am I funny to you?
Yes.
Give me your lunch money, dork.
Looks like S.H.I.E.L.D. made their way to the party. Hey, hey. They have the Tesseracts and the Time Stone. Don't let Thanos find this booth. I love you 3,000, guys. It's like Deadpool on vacation, man. That's so fun. I like that.
He's going to Mexico.
Check it out. Full on Batmobile. Look at this. They built Wally. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love him. This is a legit, real life Pizza Planet joke. That's probably my favorite cosplay of the day. Like Captain Jack Sparrow. Well, that's one of the best cosplays I've ever seen. Excelsior. And enough said. Over here is Disney legend Jim Cummings. Jim Cummings is not only the voice of Winnie the Pooh and Tigger, but he's also Cheshire Cat and the terror that flaps in the night, Darkwing Duck. Oh my god, it's Korg. That's awesome.
So cool.
That is really, really awesome.
Little detail in them.
That's really awesome. And he's modeling one right now.
I make these masks.
Okay, yeah. Dude, these things are awesome. Very good job.
You can come in with them.
We are currently in a crazy long line to do the Q&A with Zachary Levi. He is the voice of Flynn Rider in Tangled and
Shazam.
More recently, Shazam.
Hi, everybody! Give it up for our ESL here, everybody. Would 14-year-old me believe me that I got to do all those things? Yeah. Totally honest guy. And I think honest young me would look at honest old me and go, I got you, boo.
In both the Marvel and DC universe.
Go on.
If you could play a villain character in each universe, who would you want to play?
I love the things that like nerds are like, what is he possibly going to say? I've said many times before that Deadpool is my favorite villain in the Marvel universe. He's now an anti-hero, I understand that, but not when I found him. He was definitely a villain back then, and I would love to play Deadpool, except Ryan is doing that very, very smoothly. And then in the DC universe... Sorry, what? Nightwing! Who? Nightwing? I mean, I'm kind of always Shazam now, you know what I did for a minute, I thought if The Rock, like, ever was like, you know what, I'm too busy and I'm not gonna play like that. I was like, you know what I could do? I mean, they're supposed to be twinsies anyway, right? Just with slightly different stylists. And so, I was like, well, that would be kind of cool, you know, because I get to play like a really dark version of myself, essentially. So I would say that, but La Roca is playing that role, so, you know, there you go. Great.
And you're my favorite Disney prince.
Thank you, you have excellent taste.
My question is, now that Eugene knows where he comes from, where do you see his character going?
Oh.
I can't tell you. Hashtag spoiler alert.
I would like ever given you a pan since you've done Tangled?
Every fan has given me a pan?
Yes, and if not, what is the craziest gift?
I know what pan she's talking about.
My question was, if they haven't given you a pan, what is the craziest gift a fan has ever given you?
A child. Everyone's like, oh my God. Oh no, what's the craziest thing a fan has ever given me? I don't know. I mean, typically what I get are just really lovely notes, or like, you know, depending on the country I go to or the city I go to, some representation of that, a gift that kind of represents that of the person themselves, or lots of incredible fan art. Thank you so much for all the time that you guys continue to spend on drawing or coloring pictures of this mug. I mean, it's super fun. I do. Security took your frying pan? What? How many other people brought frying pans with them? You guys didn't get stopped. What were you doing with your pan?
The Zachary Levi panel was so much fun.
So cool.
Just absolutely awesome. Back on the floor. We have found R2 Mania. Look at them all. These are all built by the very talented people at this booth. And I gotta say, I'm impressed with all of them. Oh my goodness.
I love how they all.
Oh my goodness. It's so fun to see them on all the different colors and styles. Oh, I love this one. Look how cool that is. Oh, wow. Over here, got a steampunk R2. You don't see that very often. I think it looks good in a hat. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm kind of in heaven right now. Looks to me like Megacon Orlando 2019 is starting to wrap up, and so we're heading out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Megacon Orlando 2019 is officially closed. We hope you had a fantastic experience. See you next year for Megacon Orlando 2020.
We did have a wonderful experience though. Here's to next year. Whoop, whoop. In the meantime though, go ahead and subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring the little bell icon for notifications on every single episode. And you guys have a wonderful night. Shout out to the person who makes the Jurassic Park mobile into their car.